Trim the shims if needed so that they don't project beyond the jambs. To insulate the perimeter, use only low-pressure insulating foam that's designed primarily for window and door use. Inject the expansion foam fully behind the side jambs and head jamb only. Do not insulate at the sill. The sill pan needs to be left open. Give it time to fully expand, usually 30 minutes or so, and then trim off the excess. To ensure an airtight perimeter seal and to finalize the sill pan performance, apply sealant around the entire perimeter, this time including across the bottom. Use Baccarat if needed. Well done. Seal the entire exterior perimeter as well. In some applications, and this is subjective, you may leave weep holes such as this above the drip cap for incidental water to escape. While I'm here, I'll go ahead and putty up the screw holes.